Are humidifiers safe for cats? Are you wondering if humidifiers are safe for your feline friend, especially if they suffer from respiratory issues or colds? Let's dive into the details. Cats are not only great companions, but they also help in controlling vermin and offer endless entertainment with their playful antics. However, they can face respiratory issues like congestion and colds, affecting their overall health and fur care. Even though vaccines are available for cats, they can still contract infections early on, leading to sniffles and other respiratory problems. Stress can further exacerbate these issues, making the use of a humidifier for cats an interesting topic to explore. Humidifiers can be beneficial for cats, helping to relieve respiratory conditions and even asthma, which is more common in cats than dogs. About 1% of cats in the U.S. suffer from asthma, triggered by factors like smoke, mold, and dry air. Visiting a vet is crucial for diagnosing asthma in pets and managing their stress levels. A humidifier should only be considered after understanding the root cause of your pet's condition. Adding moisture to the air through humidifiers can soothe pets' skin and help manage respiratory conditions. Cool mist humidifiers are safer as they don't use boiling water, hence reducing the risk of injury to pets. For cats with colds, creating a small humidified space can help alleviate their symptoms. However, consulting a veterinarian is essential to ensure the illness isn't severe and to discuss possible medication. Scented humidifiers or diffusers, especially those using essential oils, can be harmful to cats, causing respiratory irritation and other health issues due to the toxic substances in essential oils. When choosing a humidifier for your cat, consider factors like size, noise level, and the use of cool mist technology. Avoid using essential oils and ensure the humidifier is durable and cat-friendly. Ultimately, while humidifiers can offer benefits to cats, it's important to use them wisely and consult with a veterinarian to ensure they are a safe and effective solution for your pet's specific needs.